Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm coming up with a very healthy cake recipe. This made using multigrain whole wheat. Whole wheat itself is healthy, but this is multigrain whole wheat carrot date cake. A very healthy indeed. Trust me, and the taste was too good. You gotta try this if you are a cake lover. Like to have some healthy cake. I can even say diabetic friendly cake this. Before we go in detail, let me first say a hi to everyone. Welcome to Lathus Kitchen. If you find the video useful, do share, like the video, definitely do leave a like. And any questions, do write it to us in the comment section. I would definitely love to answer. To how to make this cake is take a bowl, take 80 ml of oil and little less than a cup of yogurt and half a cup of brown sugar, Jaggery powdered. You can give it a nice whisk. All these needs to combine well, and the sugar, brown sugar, needs to dissolve completely. Till then, give it a good mix. This is the atta that I was talking about, made of multigrain whole wheat. Save the flour. A good saving the flour, which will really give a nice texture to the cake. Do this, and then we'll add baking soda a tablespoon, baking powder a tablespoon, just a gentle mix, and then goes in your add-ons like nuts or any of the dry fruits that you want to add. I'm adding some good pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and some chopped cashews, and finely chopped dates goes in. At least 8 to 10 dates goes in, and 1 cup of grated carrot. All that, give it a gentle mix, and half a tablespoon of vinegar as well goes in. We are using a cup of milk, but add little by little, not too much at one go. Combine all well, give it a good mix. There is a secret ingredient which goes in here, which give a nice aroma to this cake, that is nutmeg powder. You can as well add cinnamon if you don't have nutmeg, but nutmeg has got its own nutty flavor. Definitely this will enhance the flavor of this cake recipe. Add that half a tablespoon. If you want to add any other spice powder like cinnamon, you can add them half a tablespoon. Cinnamon as well goes well with a carrot recipe, cake recipe, and then half a tablespoon of vanilla as well goes in. This all needs to be combined well. Ensure that while you doing this process, your oven is preheated nicely for at least 10 to 15 minutes if you are baking in oven at 180 degrees Celsius. If you want to use the kadai method, yes, you can bake this cake very well in a kadai method. In a kadai, add some at least a kilo of salt, cover it and preheat, and then keep a stand. Bake your grease your baking tin, and then add this batter and cook for good 30 to 40 minutes, or once you insert a toothpick till it comes out clean, bake it in kadai this way. Now I am using oven here, so I am greasing my baking tin with some nice oil, not butter, and dust it with flour, which is important for the cake to come out of the tin easily, or you can even keep a butter paper. Now the batter goes in. The batter is neither too thin nor too thick. It should be a pouring consistency. Now tap this so that it will release out the air bubbles if any inside. And then topping, you can as well add some nuts or dry fruits. It's totally up to you, the topping. You can as well bake it without any topping, but I'm adding more pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and some chopped cashews. This goes into the oven and to be baked at 180 degree Celsius for about 40 minutes it took for me. Again, the timer varies from oven to oven. Mine took 40 minutes exactly. The taste was too good. Definitely it is very healthy because of the multigrain whole wheat. A diabetic friendly cake too. When I say diabetic friendly, you can, I mean, the other cake, cream high rich cake, if you take a little piece, this you can at least take one full piece for a diabetic. So in that way it's a diabetic friendly cake. So do try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Looking forward to seeing you back again. Thank you for tuning into Lathus Kitchen. If you still not subscribed, do subscribe.